Hello guys, welcome to the Trading Parrot. I'm going to record another 3 minutes summary for you guys, starting with the 4 hour. Some reminders that I want you to be aware. We had this head and shoulder that broke down. The technical target was 96. That 96 is still in play. I have made some amendments to my 4 hour chart, which you can find on Telegram as usual for free. It's always up to date there, so make sure that you're following me there. On the 4 hour, we can see that we have now this new formation is a falling wedge. We have lower lows in here and lower highs, and there is an area for a breakout. There is an area from 20 to 17 that could be the next support if we see a rejection in here. At the moment in the order book, we are seeing some interesting developments. We have some strong defense from the bidding in here. From 98 into 100K, the bulls are starting to defend. We no longer have this defense on the 130, 126. All of that this week has been shifted down into 110. All of this is appearing at the moment in high block capital as a big defense going on at the moment in here. So up until 10% away from the price, the bidding is very generous. Below 10% and lower on the upper end, we still have some orders according to high block capital, kind of contradicting what we are seeing in market terminal, monkey, whatever, on the upper end in here. On fire charts though, which is something I didn't include in the main video, this anomaly there disappeared. I never saw it in any other platform and it's not there. You can see the support at 99. That is supporting market monkey terminal, that the bulls are stepping in there. Now, the thing is, the bulls are stepping in, but are they making a wise decision with entering above 100K, where there is a clear trap at 97 to 96 that is just away from the price? Nothing. You just move less than 2K and you hit the biggest short-term pull. So I will say, if you are sitting on your hands from 97, make a choice, make your own trade-off between safety and certainty. From 97 to 92, you could find your first entry. Now, you need to be very experienced. You are counter trading. We could be entering a bear market, and that could be the end of it. Watch my main video, watch all the detail about this SOPR, understand what is your risk, do your own research, definitely. On the daily, we have as well some damage that we need to overlook in here. We have been below the green line. Of course, I have to move down the green line, and now the support is at 32, the breakout is at 40. Those prices at the moment are moving, but we need to break out above 103 on the daily and above 101 on the 4 hour. The support on the daily is currently around 99.1. We need to defend that. We can go up until there, close above that. And of course, it's a Friday, so anything to do with CME is very relevant. Particularly, we want, if we have some wishful thinking, let's close Friday as high as possible to set there a CME gap. And since we are surrounded by 3 CME gaps, on a Friday, we could ideally go back down, close a CME gap, still being on Friday, and then pump as high as possible. That's kind of the best scenario. It's not the forecast, certainly. We could do way worse than that. But if we close very low in here and we take down these two and we close Friday on CME, let's say at 92, oh my God, that will be really bad, because that means that if we pump on the weekend, again, we have a CME on the low end, dragging us down. That's not positive. If we start on Monday with that gap and we continue dragging down, that could push us back down into 92, but that's not something really reassuring to think on a Friday before going to the weekend. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the update. No changes to my positions. Everything stays the same. I hope you enjoy your weekend. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.